have predetermined overhead rate, which is 18.2. So can you see here on the screen here, everyone?
Yes.
Landry Lima.
Yes, yes.
Here we go. So they say that this rate is based on 218400 estimated total manufacturing cost and based on 12,000 estimated direct labor hours, right? The actual cost is 215,000 based on 11,500. So can you compare these costs with this cost? Answer is no. Why? Because this cost is based on 12,000 and 215,000 is based on $11,500. So in order to be even, we need to find out what, so this is the actual data, right? The company actually incurred total manufacturing overhead 215,000. So we need to find out how much is the estimated overhead based on 11,500. So just multiply with 18.2. What is the answer? Can you calculate?
It's 20,723,000. No, wait. 18.2 times 209,300. Yeah.
Right? And now you can compare. No, this is estimated or actual?
It's estimated.
Right, because we use estimated overhead rate. So now you compare this estimated with actual one. So most they compare 215 with 218. It's wrong. Now you need to compare. We estimated it would be 209,300. Now it has occurred 21500. It's underestimated or overestimated? You tell me.
Then it's underestimated because it's less.
Or if now we can relate to our terminology, that is under applied. How much?
5,700.
So how we are going to use it? 5,700. This is under applied, which means we are underestimated. It means our cost
It's actually higher.
Our cost should be, we must add this number to our cost of goods sold. When cost of goods sold, then what happened? Our gross margin is going to be,
Yes, decrease. Okay.
understand?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me stop share and let me close all the breakout rooms, and then we go for 15 minutes break, and then we start again. Okay, everyone, you guys finished?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so this is the group.
That's why we want to know. We didn't send it yet.
What, you did it?
We want to ask you about it. Can we send it in the group or what?
Yeah, you send it to the group, but remember to write your group member's name.
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't know whether you guys did
Send the
right.
link.
In two groups, I explained this, and I hope you guys did it right. Let me see that. Wow. Group Jordan, did you send?
Send already.
Crystal, right?
Yeah.
Yes, group Crystal.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, in the same.
Okay, good. Still not received from other two groups. Good, Stella. Well done. In group Leo. Okay, everyone. So I also pasted answer here. So what you have to do, you need to convert the estimated based on actual numbers. When you convert that one, you have the estimated amount. And you compare that one with the actual one, you find out that we under applied by 5,700, right? This 5,700 will be added to the cost of goods sold. And when cost is going to be rising, it means it will be decreasing our profit or gross margin. So let's take a 10 minutes break and then we start from here. Hello guys, welcome back after a short break. So I'm setting up again a breakout room and we will be having another group activity and that will be heavily marked. Here we go. Oh, sorry. Okay. And I would be sharing the question personally in the breakout room. There we go. Great. So guys, please join our group. I already sent the question on WeChat group. Breakout room 1. I have sent the question in our group. Did you see that?
Yes.
Okay, you can download and you can also share the screen for this question here. And please do participate. I would suggest turn on the video as well and try to communicate and participate with others as well.
All right.
Okay. Yeah. If you have any problem, you can also call me to this group.
How do you do that?
What?
How to call you to the group?
You can go
There's
to
a button after how.
Yes, Jackie.
Okay.
Okay, you send me a chat or you can also directly give me a message over there so I will join.
Oh, okay, all right.
Hello, number 2. Did you find the question here?
Yeah, we have a question.
Good. So I require, please share the screen and I would suggest that everyone please turn on your video and participate. Okay? Everyone give your 100% to the group.
Okay.
Okay. If you have any problems, you can also call me, drop me a WeChat message, or here in the Chumu chat section, you can also call me here. Okay?
So, sir, I have a question.
Yes, sure.
For question 1, it asked for a predetermined overhead rate, but for which company, X, Y, or Z?
I think both, all of them.
All of them. It's total, right?
Yes, X, Y, and Z, all of them.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Good. You can also share the question on the screen and also turn on your video and participate, okay?
Okay.
Good.
So we have company X and we have...
Hello, guys. Do you have the question? Alima and Landry, right? Hello, Why this group is silent? Okay, do we have breakout room 3, Alima? Landry? Okay, Alima, I'm moving you to Leo group 2.